Good morning. Election administrators in 83 counties need to finalize the language on the ballots before they go off to print this Friday. And that is when the deadline is to see if this initiative will be making the ballot or not.
The Board of Canvassers last week became deadlocked along party lines on accepting a ballot petition for abortion rights in Michigan. The petition has over 700,000 signatures, but critics of the bill claim it has several errors within it. There were no spaces in between the words. Tony Daunt is one of two Republicans on the Board of Canvassers who voted against the measure to allow the issue to go to voters.
You would not sign a mortgage that had this type of mistake in it. You wouldn't turn in a term paper that had this kind of mistake.
Attorney Mark Brewer spoke with 7 Action News last week, and he questions the board's reach on the initiative.
They have no authority over the wording or the spacing of the actual proposal. The only thing they have authority over is the form of the petition, which they approved months ago. The words are all there. There are no typos. People can read it. It's a matter of spacing, and that's a function of a printer, frankly, as to how much spacing is between the words. We actually have constitutional amendments which have typos in them.
But the decision is now up to the Michigan State Supreme Court, either to uphold the board's decision and keep Proposal 3 off the ballot or overturn the board's decision. And if Proposal 3 does make the ballot and voters pass it, it would make abortion in Michigan a constitutional right and would trump a 1931 Michigan law, which is currently paused by the court, banning abortion in all instances except the life of the mother.
And again, that deadline is this Friday. And if the state Supreme Court does not vote on this matter, the initiative will not go on the ballot this November. Reporting in Southfield, I'm Peter Maxwell, 7 Action News.
All right, we'll see what happens here. Thank you very much, Peter, for that live update.